Not a good day to be in the woods. Good thing there's no leaves on these trees. Walking back, I see that there's a tree busted over my skid trail. I came back to put a little bit of corn out for Pete. He wants to hunt with crossbow when he gets up here tonight. Walking past the little pond. We found catfish minnows in here this spring. Wood duck box, no wood duck though. Some of the trees I tagged yesterday. They look small on the screen, but they're pretty good size. They're as big as that bucket. These are just along the trail that goes back to the back field. And I'm on my way back up to the cabin. Don't know if you can hear me for the wind. That's a trail that goes down to the field. And we'll walk up past where my skid trail goes across. Hardly any leaves left. Well, at least this wind's going to dry it out, so if it quits raining and the wind quits blowing, I can go back to work. There's my skid road coming out. That's why, right there, why we need the dead larch out of here. So that one hasn't been dead all that long, you can tell, because the little twig's still on the branches, but she come down and it came from way over there. So this skid trail goes down to the field. This is kind of long. I don't know if I can get it uploaded to YouTube or not. We have been getting a few whitetails come out. Been catching them on that camera there. There's rye and clover and some different things planted in this field. Here's my work pile. As you can see, there's a lot of firewood there. Hauled up a few small logs yesterday. No, that wasn't yesterday, it was the day before. Yesterday I was pretty much cabin bound because of the weather. There's my log pile again. I think I got, I don't know, 120, 130 logs but I got a lot more to go. At the end of the field there's some really big trees. You probably can't, I'm sure you can't tell how big they are on the video, but anyways, that's it.